Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use N8N Template. First, open your web browser and go to the N8N website. From there, navigate to the Template section. This is where you can browse different ready-made workflows. Choose a template that you want to use. When you find one, click on it to open the details page. On this page, click the button that says Use for Free. This will open up the workflow information. What you need here is the JSON link. Copy the JSON code link to your clipboard. Now open a code editor on your computer. Create a new blank file and paste the JSON code into it. After pasting the content, save the file. Before you continue, make sure to rename the file so that it ends with .json. This file extension tells N8N that it is a workflow file. Save the file once again to confirm. Next, go back to your N8N instance. On the workflow dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. From this menu, select Import from File. Choose the JSON file you just created and upload it. N8N will load the workflow immediately into the editor. You will now see all the nodes and connections exactly as they were saved in the template. At this point, review the workflow and add any required credentials for the services it connects to. When you are finished, save the workflow and activate it if you want it to run automatically. That is complete process of using template in N8N.